Welcome to LaFette Custom Uncensored. Today we're breaking down this door to get ready to paint. We'll start off by taking the door handle off, and then a 12 star bit. There's that little black round plastic piece right there you take out. A little bag right here I put the stuff in. This is not real tight. You should be able to just loosen it with your finger. It will not come all the way out. Just loosen it so they feel like it's kind of spinning in the same spot. And come out here and you pull the door handle out like that, and then this just slides out like that, and you slide this forward and it comes out like that. Okay, and we'll show a video when we get done painting on putting the door handle in. There's a little trick to that. The door panel now, have a little door right here that will pop off. Throw my screwdriver on the ground. Put everything in the bag. Got another one right down here. Put it in the front and it pops out. Slides in the back. Got a little hole right there for the front. And there's a 7mm bolt there and two there. There's going to be one back here, so we'll take this off. This is in there pretty tight, so we will use a clip tool and just kind of ease it out. Start right here in the side and kind of pull it out a little bit. Get this in there. Just kind of work that real easy, because definitely don't want to break it. Pull up on it. It feels like it's a little bit at a time. There it goes, starting to snap. There it goes. Okay. Piece come off. Put it back on. It goes right there. Like that snaps in. And that's one reason why you don't like to take these things on and off. That will stay in there. We'll have to get it out. Okay. We'll take out the bolts now. There's one down in here. Need a little magnet maybe to get it out. These things they're snug. They're not real tight. That's why you can take them loose with your fingers. You don't really have to have a ratchet. Just like that from the factory. The bolts out. Put them in the bag. I also have two down here. Okay. And then this thing pops in place. Just kind of like put my nail in the door right there, so I got something. The door don't shut. Just kind of pull out. It pops out. Pop it out right here. It's over that. Right here. And it should slide up. That. We're going to have some plugs back here. We'll have this. pull that back and slide it out. Take off your little button you push back like that. This thing is kind of like get that out a little bit. Push that back like that. She'll be able to. Oh, yeah, push that down. And it comes out. Okay, that undoes the door panel. And that's how you take the door panel off. We got two more things we're going to do to break it down. We'll take the rubber around the window out and this mirror off. So we have a plug right here. Has to be undone. And we'll get a clip tool and do these little snaps. And the big one. Okay, give us a little more room to work with, like that. Like it has a little. There it is right there. Push that in right there. Unplug that. Okay, so we're going to take this plastic piece off too. Snap right there. It's going to be, I have snaps in it around. There's one right here too. Like that. Just kind of pull it straight out and it'll. There we go. Snap thing right there. Put that off with the snap ring. Okay. Okay. Now we have a 10mm. It looks like right there to take the mirror off. That's the wrong one. Yep. So it's 10mm on that. And these may be a little tighter. Probably have to have you a little ratchet on that. Yeah. I like to loosen them. I do it with my hand. I have to hold the mirror. Make sure everything's loose, ready for the mirror to come out. You don't want to drop it on the vehicle. It's got a little rubber grommet right here. Go on and make sure that'll come on out. Okay, it will. Just kind of hold the mirror in place. Take the bolts off, the nuts off. Drop that one up there. We're good though. All right, so now I got the bolts out. I'll easily just slide it straight out. I'm not real sure what's holding it. It should come on out. Something's definitely holding it though. Okay. out there. Wow. Yeah, there's nothing on here out here to come off, so. There's nothing here. You can see there's nothing here to hold it. Something right there though. What it is. Right there. There's some kind of catch on that. How that should come off. Huh. Something right there. Be a tab, push tab. Yep, that's exactly what it was. Wow. Okay, so that's how the mirror comes off. There's a push tab right there, make you feel like you're gonna break it. Get your little clip to it, pops right out. Lay that down real quick. Alright, so we have two things left, this piece right here and this rubber piece. We'll go on and take the rubber out. Really just kind of grab it and try to find where it'll come out real easy. It kind of snaps in there. That's why I'm running it outside. Let's see. And as you can tell, it's in there pretty good. There it goes. And then what we'll do is we'll just light it up like this. Get it out. And it's kind of tricky to go back in. You got to take it out to paint because you can't take that up. All right, so we'll have another little star head right here. It's actually smaller than this one. Yeah, it is. It's probably a 10. And these things are kind of tricky to get off. They kind of snap up. Okay, need to ratchet on this one. This one right here, kind of pull it up a little bit right there. I have to pull the glass away. Like I said, it doesn't really like to come off real easy. And I'll show you the little clips when I get them out. Oh, and it pops right on. These little clips right here, they snap over and behind this little lip right here. It's kind of hard to get out, but okay. And that right there Let me look at it. I think that's it on the door. Back up so don't shut it in the door. And now that door, we'll sand it down, take it up, and it'll be ready for paint. Subscribe, like, share, comments. We definitely want the comments. We will do another video on putting this back in because there's a little trick to it going back in. Thank you. Have a good day.